good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We're going to be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames, and we would be framing a view for tomorrow, that is 18th December. And apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. If we analyze options open interest data for 24th December weekly expiry contract, you will see that the highest amount of open interest in calls is at 13,800 strike, followed by 14,000 strike. And if we see the puts, highest amount of open interest is at 13,600 strike and 13,500 strike. So for the next weekly contract, 13,500 is likely to act as support and 14,000 is going to act as a resistance based on the open interest data. And if you see the change in interest for today, you will see that highest amount of calls are written at 14,000 strike, followed by 13,800 strike. And if we see the puts, highest amount of puts were written at 13,600 and 13,500 strike. If we analyze the option max pain data for 24th December weekly expiry, it is currently at 13,700 level. So if market was to expire on 24th December at around 13,700 odd levels, then option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses. If we analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, you will see that on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers above 13,062 levels. And on the weekly time frame, market is under control of buyers again above 13,571 levels. And if we see the daily time frame, today above 13,713 levels, market was under control of buyers. So today we had a situation above 13,713 where all the time frame participants, the monthly, the weekly as well as the daily participants, they had full time frame continuity to the upside and they were aggressive in lifting the offers today. Here you can see on 15-minute time frame as well. So above 13,713 level, the market was in control of aggressive buyers. And if we see the daily time frame, the structure for the market is again a higher high and a higher low. So in terms of market structure, it is in a clear uptrend right now. And based on daily time frame, the scenario for tomorrow is going to be as follows. Above 13,740 levels, we can trade towards 13,773, 13,800 levels and potentially 13,834 levels. And below 13,690 levels, market can trade towards 13,673, 13,646 and potentially 13,612 levels. And 13,740 to 13,690 levels are a neutral price range in which one can refrain from making any trades. Now we are going to be analyzing our stock watch list. The stocks that we have chosen are DLF, Indiabull Housing Finance, Balakrishnan Industry and Apollo Tyres. So if we see DLF, we look for buying opportunity above 237.7 levels, or we look for selling opportunity below 230.9 levels. And in between the high-low range, we will not be making any trades in DLF as it's an inside candle. And our second stock is Indiabull Housing Finance. It's again an inside candle. We look for buying opportunity above 208.9 levels, or we look for selling opportunity below 203.5 levels. And in between the high-low range, we will not be making any trades in Indiabull Housing Finance. Our third stock is Balakrishnan Industry. It's again an inside candle. So above 1,649.7 levels, I'll look for buying opportunities, and below 1,630 levels, we'll look for selling opportunity. And our final stock is Apollo Tyres. We'll look for buying opportunity only above 199.85 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 195 levels. And in between the high-low range, we will not be making any trades. So these are our stock watch list and they are all inside candles, and they are formed when there's an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So if whichever direction of today's high low range it breaks, we would be establishing positions in that direction based on the price action. Finally, I would like to summarize that we are in a broad range of 14,000 to 13,500 based on overall open interest data, and above 13,740 levels we can potentially trade towards 13,834 levels, and below 13,690 levels we can potentially trade towards 13,612 levels as well. And max main for 24th December weekly expiry is 13,700, and our stock watch list comprises of inside candles, and the stocks are DLF, Indiabull Housing Finance, Balakrishna Industry and Apollo Tyres. I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel, and don't forget to see the description section where you can see all our recent blog posts that we have written, and our weekly targets have all been achieved, and you can find links to all our blog posts, our recent blog posts, in the description section area. So do check out our blog, and finally once again hit the like button, and thank you for watching.